Hello, and welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. Have you ever seen website designs like these? This is called a Frosty effect design, which you can add to your website in a few clicks with Berdu. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel to get more tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell as well. First, from your website's dashboard in Berdu, go to the Layout section. Feel free to create this effect on your main page or custom pages. For now, we are going to do it on a custom page. Click Edit. Once you're in the layout editor for a custom page, you'll need to add a new section, then look for the Image plus Text section. A default image and text will appear like this. This is the section that we will edit to create the Frosty effect. The way to do this is to click Change in the Design section. Here you will find several Frosty designs to choose from. Or you can click Full Screen Preview to see the overall design. For example, let's choose Frosty Light. Click Select Design. The next step is to replace this default background with your own image. You can choose from several stock images we provide, or click Upload to upload your own image. And here we go, the Frosty design is now applied. But we still need to make some adjustments to make it look even better, including this box and this default text. Let's start with the box. You can change the color of the box background by clicking on the Background section, then choosing the color you like. The default color is slightly transparent to support the Frosty effect. If the color is solid, the effect won't be visible. Once you are satisfied with your choice, click Done. You can also change the outline color of the box by clicking Outline, then selecting your preferred color. Again, you can adjust the transparency here. If you want the outline to be less thick, you can adjust the outline slider to set the thickness. Or you can slide it to 0 to completely remove the outline. Next, you can change the position of this box and text, whether to the left, right, or center. You can also add a shadow behind this box by changing the shadow option from thinner to blur. Adjust it according to your needs. If you feel the image is not wide enough, you can adjust it in the padding space section to set the filling space. Below the padding settings, there's a blur slider, which can be used to set the blur intensity within the box. The Content Width slider adjusts the broadness of the box. Then, the Curve slider adjusts the curve level at each corner of the box. There are other sliders like Content Vertical, Content Horizontal, and Rotation that you can adjust according to your website's needs. Now, let's change the content or text inside this box by going to the Content section. In the text editor, replace it with your own text that matches your website's theme or message. Last step, don't forget to set the block type, font size, and text color. If you are satisfied with the result, just click Done. If needed, you can move the Image plus Text section as you wish. When everything is finished, click Save and view the page. This is the final result of the Frosty effect we created. It's pretty easy, right? We hope this video was helpful. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel to get more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more interesting content. See you next time!